Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk here at Coral and Wolverine, where there's always been a growing debate about police had loaded up, as you've seen in the last video, but nothing has been moving yet. They just floated there. Mosey on down on this side of the fence, giving law enforcement and them plenty of room to do whatever they're going to do, and I'll fill you in on the subject. Well, it looks like law enforcement actually is just going to go. Yeah, they're just rolling out. Rolled in, rolled out.
Is it that one?
Oh, yes, that one. They had a lot of, they come in the vans there, but they roll out on the sides of the thing. They gotta be cool. Oh, I guess they do have more in there too still, in some of them.
Thank you, cops. What? You think it's good that they just let the top way pull
Truth to be known, whatever each side wants to say, neither has spoken. They do come along here and park decently, and most of them have decent vehicles that I've seen, both church, the Proud Boys, Antifa. So presumably they would be classified as an upstanding member of society, but yet many of them choose to breed violence instead of finding more of a peaceful delegational resolve and resolution. Yes, there is times when violence must come to bear. It has been proven in the United States time and time again throughout our history that sometimes people must make a stand. But in today's more modern age, with as much communication as we have, do we really need to resort to violence instead of understanding in the communication? It seems like it. Even private bystanders like that one gentleman down there, just filming film that could eventually actually help either side in a horrible event of whether the cops or Antifa or Proud Boys. We do have something going on down here. And they're all running to it. Doing okay.
I'm just here to observe, y'all.
I'm a partial observer too. To serve and serve the general public in what's going on in Kaiser. Don't know exactly what just happened there, but there was obviously some altercation. And the cops are going to probably be back again. Well, actually, they were right here. Oh yeah, there they come. This time they'll probably be go again with the spew.
025, black car, pull forward a little bit. Pull forward.
Black car was attacked.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute 166.025.
Oops, sorry about that finger, people. I may have
commanded
to...
to disperse from this location immediately. If you do not disperse immediately, you will be subject to arrest.
move over here a little further so that they know that I'm not part of their group. But then you know how that works in all a good news station. Sometimes you get caught up in it still.
You need to leave the area to the north.
North. They're all through here.
This is the Salem Police Department. This has been declared an unlawful assembly pursuant to Oregon Revised Statute.
Alright, they're moving forwards to see where the next position is.
You are all commanded to disperse from this location immediately. If you do not disperse immediately, you will be subject to arrest.
These guys are bound and determined to get tear gas, I swear.
Failure to disperse or comply with these orders may result in your arrest and force used against you, to include impact munitions and up to tear gas.
At least they are warning you.
You need to leave the area now.
Borderline lethal force?
I'm going to cut this into another section for all
This has
the
been
folks.
declared an unlawful assembly